Hi, I'm James Lane and I'm one of your trainers on the Digital Drive Durham program. On Wednesday 11th of September, I'll be running a workshop for you where together we'll be looking at some of the really cool and useful features of MailChimp for email marketing. I'll be showing you why using this tool, which is free for many businesses, is a better option than any of the email providers like Hotmail, Yahoo, Outlook and Gmail when sending newsletters, emails to large numbers of people, transactional emails and even fully automated emails. Now we're going to start the day by introducing you to MailChimp and taking you through the simple steps to getting an account set up. We'll also spend some time exploring the tool so you can leave with a full understanding of where the vital features are. Thinking about who you're sending your emails to is a big part of succeeding in email marketing. In this step, we'll have a look at MailChimp's lists and audience, walk you through how to add audiences to the campaigns and make the most of that section. Before we dive into the creative stage of email marketing, it's important to plan. So here we'll be looking to rethink about our approach to sending emails by thinking about what our message is, how we're saying it, and who we're saying it to. But look, the first challenge in email marketing is getting the customer to open your email in the first place. Here we'll take a look at the key tactics you can implement to get your open rate up and your audience interested in what you have to say. At this next point, we'll be taking a look at getting creative. We're thinking about what our emails are going to look like. So in this section, we're getting visually engaged to our audience. We're thinking about how we can include images, graphics, and snappy pieces of text in our email marketing content. Once you've sent your email, it's vital that you check how it's performed so you can look to improve next time. So we're going to explore MailChimp's reports to find out how we can get better or target those recipients who have shown interest. We'll have the option for your additional questions and answers, of course, where we'll have the opportunity to ensure you leave with all the information you need to make this successful for your business. We've designed this workshop for people who want to implement email marketing in their digital marketing strategy. You do not need any prior experience in email marketing, but it would be helpful if you could bring a laptop. I hope to see you there on the 11th or in another workshop soon.